Alrighty guys, so in today's video we're going to be fixing this piano. As you can see, I'm going to put the audio for this. It's going to be horrible, look. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but as you can see, it's horrible, the audio. Let me play it one more time. Yeah, so that's the current situation we're at. So we're going to fix this piano. So first let's start by unscrewing. Okay, so here we go, we're done. Now let's disconnect the battery so it doesn't waste it. But now let's open it. So here we go. Opening the piano. So this should be interesting. This is easy. You know, compared to my previous videos where I've opened computers and stuff, yeah, this is easy. Okay, there it is. So now, as you can see from right here, looks like the keys. And then it has this, and I did see something, it is cracked, so that's a problem right there, it's cracked. And then these are the buttons for the input, and then these are the wired batteries. I'm just gonna leave that there. I do not want to try to disconnect that much stuff, but I might try to well, I want to see what the problem is because it's weird to me. Yeah, let me just connect the batteries. Hopefully I can electrocute it. Okay, so that's the audio, and when I click, oh, probably because of this. Yeah, probably has to be like this. And then, so that's nice. So now you can't, like when you click. Oh, okay. So it. Wait a minute, I think it's not good. Wait a minute, I think it's good now. Let me try to turn it on in the background. Wait a minute. Oh, that thing's off. This is the speaker. So let me just leave that there. And I do not want to try to crack that. Oh shoot. Okay. And then these are the inputs. And then this, I can see here, it's kind of cracked, which is concerning. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's cracked. So maybe I don't think I want to disconnect that much stuff, but I think it works now. I think it was just a problem with the battery because I have a feeling it works now. So maybe like I'm gonna try to attempt like leave it. Let me see. I think it works now because Okay guys, I was editing the video and I saw after like I showed up for a moment that I couldn't fix it. It worked because for some reason like one of the screws, like when you put it on, it like transferred with like the audio signal or something like that. So it worked with we have taken the screws. That's why I didn't show that part. But now back to the video. Alrighty guys, so now after doing that, it works. So now when I turn it on, it works. I do not know why. It's weird. This is a weird video, probably gonna be 5 minutes long, but it was weird. So now it works, and yeah. Now when you turn it on and everything, I'm not gonna play the music because I don't want to get copyrighted videos. But yeah, now it works. You can just play. Okay. And then compared to the other one, which yeah, I'll just put a recap there. It's just horrible. So now it works. It works and makes better videos. So I think it's all good now. So yeah. It now works, and yeah, this is a really short video, but yeah, it now works. So make sure to subscribe, and yeah, and this electronic piano was fixed and works. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.